Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like be how to be completed reach depth 7,000 like 500 depth how to be completed now. So be everything easily now. Just I request you be carefully watching this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm so more helping to you. Everything so easily now. Just you listen my explanation what I'm telling you because I give you good information and good tricks and good tips. So let's start this video and I request you don't skip this video. So my dear friends, I will be download already with this game, so I will be explaining you how to be completed this game and level. So just request you be carefully end of watching this video. So my dear friends, just I request you be end of watching this video. This time like be you will be see more toys, more depth and offline earning. So just I tell you something about this game. So first of all I'm clicking on this like the game now and I will teach you how to be completed this game levels, everything to be easily now. So just I request to you end of watching my videos and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm so more helping to you. So I something like be explain you how to be completed this game levels. So just listen me, okay? First of all my dear friend, you will be see like be okay, 1 minute. Oh my god. So you will listen me more toys. This time I have 24 more toys, okay, and depth like be 210 meter and I have offline earnings like be 8 minutes. So this be option thirds. You will be first of all purchasing like be more toys. I will be click on this now, watching ads now list. So you checking now I have the more toys, so I will be purchasing. You check now, this time I have 25 toys, so I need to more buy this like the toys. So I will click on like the 26, 27, 28. Okay, I have, and then I also to be offline earning by now. Okay, tap to start now again. Okay, sorry for this, no thanks, I have nothing buy something. Okay, so next starts to be, oh really shit, tap to start again. You will be see like be 6 meters I will be like be completed to now, and just you will see if I watch this video and I this my reward triple now. So I claim now.
Once upon a time.
So first of all my dear friends, you will be purchasing something. This time 28 toys I have, so I want to be 50 like be toys you needed purchasing, and like maximum 300 to 400 meter you will be more depth by now, and more important for you like be you offline earnings purchasing now. This time I purchasing 20 minutes, so you will be like completed to be purchasing now 180 minutes. This is so far you good if you playing completely 1 hour this game. So this and then next 3 hour you offline, so you will be automatically earn now because this game automatically earn for you coins. Everything be easy now, just focus on my tricks and you will be easily know like be complete your task. So my dear friends, and I hope you will be understand what I am saying to you. So please, I request to you always to be support to me and watching my videos, and because I will be helping to you more about this game. Any new game come here, so I hope you will be enjoy my talking and you will be listen my talking always. So shit now, because my mobile hang now, you check now. So if you see now, so I hope you will be understand to my tricks about. So just I request to you watching my always videos and like now and subscribe now my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for you watching my video. So thank you so much. So one of I tell you, like we are purchasing something like 28 29, the only one time I will be clicking again. Shit. Okay. This time like we 8, so I will be purchasing now 30 toys. I will be purchasing now maximum 50 toys you will purchase now, and like be 3 to 400 milli depth you will purchase, and when you will 180 you will be purchasing now minutes offline. So then you starting and completely like be playing this game 1 hour and 3 hour to be offline now, because stop this game you automatically you will be earned coins on this game. So I hope you will be understand now. So thank you for watching this video, and also to be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So love you all, love you all.